Hey guys, what's up? This is CrewLDK, and today I'm going to be playing some FIFA with Candians Bros, and we're going to be opening up a bunch of packs. As you can see, I have a lot of coins that I recently bought from MMOGA. They're really good. And so yes, so when are we going to open the packs? You can count down.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go. What? Okay. Come on. Oh, okay. Who'd you get? Tell me your best player stat, and then I'll tell you.
My best player stat is 80.
What is it on? What's the stat on?
It's on drive.
There's no drive, it's just dribbling and okay, but
Oh wait, not drive, I'm dribbling.
okay. I'll go first though. So yours is an 80, right? My best stat is a 79. So I have to quick sell. Good, this person sucks. So if you lose, you quick sell. Okay, you can quick sell anyway.
Oh yes. I got a guy from Turkey, and his best stat is 84 passing.
Oh.
And then I have another guy that's 84.
Are you serious? Oh, I got the FC Bayern logo though. I can sell that. Got nothing. 1, 2, 3. Skip. Oh my god.
I'm skipping it. I skipped it.
Oh. What's your best stat?
Okay. I got a lot of gold beans. My best stat is 85.
Oh my god. Who was it?
Vanzer Wheel.
My best is an 81 defending. This whole pack, my whole pack, this just sucks. The pack look so awful. Skip. Yes! Ah. Still suck, but okay, what's your best stat? I got Lord Bettner.
My best stat is 83 shot and then a 82 pace.
Oh. Well, I got Lord Bettner, so you can't even handle that. No, I'm kidding. My best stat is 86 reflexes by goalkeeper. Still sucks though. He probably sells for a little bit. I'll see. He might. Oh, $650. Yep. Sell him. Got Frank Lampard. I can sell him for 1K. How should Laura Bettner go for? Nothing. Okay. I got a lot of players, and I did not get one contract. 3, 2, 1, open. 1, 2, 3, skip. No! Oh my god! I got Thiago Silva! No! Oh, 90 defense! Oh! 60k! He goes for 60k! Yes! Yes! 90 defense! 90 defense! Oh, no.
No.
Oh my god.
Show me how much you sell. Oh my gosh.
that's like the second best player I've ever gotten. Look. Okay, so when are we gonna open? Me too. Oh my god. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Skip pack. Skip pack.
Neymar. I got A4.
Ooh, Rodriguez. That'd be cool.
Right? I got Jarvis. Yes, you're not gonna beat that.
Wait, what's your best stat?
It is 87.
Oh, no, this kid sells for 2.5k. I could have easily. Dang. Bless you.
Mine sells for
Dirt. Dang.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. I'm hyped.
So much money. Oh!
Oh, you're not gonna beat me.
What'd you get?
My best stat in 84 diving. By goal.
Yes, I have 85.
Oh, yeah, this goalie doesn't sell for a lot. Who
I have
are
85 defense.
who's your keeper? I mean, who's your person? Who's your person?
No. Oh wait, no, that's not 85. It's 83.
No, but I'm gonna keep him because. Yep.
Okay.
Quick sell
Yeah,
that right now, you little cheater.
No, I go.
Who do I get? Eden Hazard on the pack. Eden Hazard in the pack. Oh my gosh, 76. 3, 2, 1. Good. Skip. Oh my. I got a silver. I literally got a silver in a rare gold pack. You do that. You do that.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Skip pack.
We're at the same time.
Skip pack. Oh my. Oh,
Yes, who's this?
disgusting. Oh, never mind, never
Oh my
mind.
gosh! This is dumb. I thought I saw Ronaldo, but it's Ronaldo.
Oh, he used to be good. He sucks now. Okay, what's your best stat? Oh my god, I got a good stat. I got two good stats.
My best stat is 83.
Mine's 84 in 2 players. Oh, so I can send Frank Lampard to the transfer list. Yep.
What'd you get?
Oh, he's pretty good. He sells for a good bit. He's good. 83 rated.
And then I got Droba.
Oh
Drogba.
my. Drogba. You couldn't even pronounce Drogba right? Okay, I'm about to quick sell. Even though this goalie might sell, I'm not even gonna look, because what's your best stat?
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
Go.
Who do I- Messi on the pack, Messi in the pack. Come on. De Jong.
Ooh, I got a good silver that will sell for
You get excited over nothing. Like,
No, this
You-
sells for 5k.
no, you get excited over nothing.
Hey, you won with this one. My highest rating is like 80.
I already
No,
quick
88.
sold.
It's
I
88.
already just took the packs and quick sold. I just
It's
forgot all
88.
about it.
That's like
I just forgot all about it. 1, 2, 3.
I got Crouch.
He sucks. Aubameyang! No, you're not beating me. You are not. Like, I can bet you $1 million you will not beat me this round. What's your best
What's your
stat?
rating?
I have 95 pace
Yeah, you won.
to the club.
Oh, it's just so hard. You're getting all these good people.
1, 2, 3, skip. Oh, I got the same goalie.
Oh my god.
Caballero.
I keep getting the Crouch guy.
Oh shoot. Okay. What's your best stat? I might actually win.
So far, what I'm looking at right now, 87.
Oh, we tied. I have 87 too. What's your second best stat?
Second
Oh,
best
I'm
stat
winning.
Is second best stat. Let's see. 84.
Mine's
No,
86.
whoa. Oh yeah, it's 84.
Okay, yeah, he sucks. You know what? I'll keep it just because. Okay, last pack. 800k. This has been a 110k pack opening. I am more than excited with what I got. It's not even close to what I started with, but I'm just so glad that I finally got someone good. I got Son. I got Son. Your best stat was 90? Who was it?
You need to do one more, so I'll be.
Your best stat was not 90.
Yes, it was.
You can do one more, but wait, what was it? It was pace. Oh, pace, yeah. I was 86 pace. Quick sold. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.